Well guys, I wish I could tell y'all this is the maiden voyage, but I ran it a few times. I couldn't help myself. But man, she's running good, man. I'm glad to have it. Finally, it's probably about 95% done. I still got to put some gauges in and stuff like that, but I'm still able to fish out of it. That's the main thing. I'm loving it. Hope y'all enjoy. Well guys, didn't have the camera rolling, but just caught one on a pop-oar right here. Kind of slow today, but hey, we're making progress. That's the bait I caught it on right there, a little pop-oar. Works wonders this time of year in the summertime. Well guys, I hope y'all like it. I enjoyed today's little fishing trip, getting out here, running my boat. I'm not set up very well right now to film it out of this boat, but I'm gonna get it right. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it's not a long one, but I'm happy to have my boat going good, man. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like my videos, hit like and subscribe. And remember, you never know what the next cast might bring.